Get ready to experience gaming history like never before. The iconic Gears of War franchise is back with a vengeance in the form of Gears of War Reloaded. This summer, prepare to dive back into the war-torn world of Sarah, remastered and more stunning than ever. August 26, 2025, marks the day when Marcus Phoenix and Delta Squad return to Xbox, and for the first time ever, PlayStation and PC. The gaming world is buzzing with anticipation. This isn't just a simple remaster, it's a complete revitalization of a beloved classic. This is Gears of War, as you've never seen it, heard it, or played it. Prepare to be blown away. Whether you're a longtime fan eager to relive those epic battles or a newcomer ready to experience the intensity for the first time, Gears of War Reloaded is ready to deliver. Get ready to lock and load, soldier. This is one battle you won't want to miss. Prepare to have your senses overwhelmed. Gears of War Reloaded sets a new standard for visual fidelity and immersive audio. Experience the game in breathtaking 4K resolution, enhanced by the brilliance of HDR and the richness of Dolby Vision. Immerse yourself in the soundscape of war with Dolby Atmos and 3D spatial audio. Every gunshot, every roar of the Locust Horde will surround you with incredible realism. The action is smoother than ever, targeting a buttery smooth 60 frames per second during the campaign. But the improvements go beyond just resolution and frame rate. This remaster boasts entirely remastered textures, bringing every detail of the environments and characters to life. Advanced post-processing effects create a more cinematic and immersive experience. Improved shadows and reflections add a new layer of depth and realism to the world. And if that wasn't enough, say goodbye to loading screens during the campaign. Gears of War Reloaded utilizes cutting-edge technology to deliver a seamless and uninterrupted gameplay experience. Prepare to be captivated by the visual and auditory feast that awaits you. Gears of War Reloaded isn't just about enhanced visuals, it's about delivering a complete and modern gaming experience. For the first time in Gears of War history, players across all platforms can join forces and battle side by side, thanks to full cross-play support. Imagine joining your squad, whether they're on Xbox, PlayStation, or PC, and experiencing the thrill of cooperative gameplay like never before. The iconic two-player co-op campaign returns, allowing you to relive the epic story with a friend. Coordinate your attacks, cover each other's backs, and experience the Brotherhood of Delta Squad firsthand. For those seeking the ultimate adrenaline rush, Gears of War Reloaded versus multiplayer will push your skills to the limit. Engage in intense firefights with up to 8 players, utilizing the game's signature cover-based mechanics and brutal weaponry. With cross-progression, you can seamlessly switch between platforms without losing your progress. Start your campaign on Xbox and continue it on PlayStation or PC with ease. Your saved data, achievements, and unlocks will follow you wherever you choose to play. Gears of War Reloaded offers unparalleled flexibility and accessibility, ensuring that you can enjoy the game on your terms. The release of Gears of War Reloaded marks more than just a remaster, it's a celebration of an iconic franchise. In 2026, Gears of War will celebrate its 20th anniversary, and what better way to commemorate this milestone than with a stunning reimagining of where it all began? This remaster is just the beginning of the celebrations. Expect a year filled with exciting announcements, events, and surprises for Gears of War fans old and new. The return of Marcus Phoenix and Delta Squad in Gears of War Reloaded is a testament to the enduring legacy of this beloved franchise. It's a reminder of the power of great storytelling, intense action, and unforgettable characters. As we gear up for the 20th anniversary, Gears of War Reloaded serves as the perfect entry point for new players and a nostalgic return for seasoned veterans. Join the fight for humanity's survival, experience the thrill of chainsawing your way through hordes of locusts, and immerse yourself in a world where every battle is a fight for survival. The gears are turning, the Lancer is loaded, and the countdown to August 26th has begun. Are you ready to wage war once more?